What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy T. Back again today with another Soul Supremacy beater box. Today I got a $700 box, so it was $740 with the $40 shipping from Soul Supremacy. Very excited about this box, man. The last box did amazing. Thanks for everybody who watched that video. These boxes right here, $700. Just for me, sometimes they hit or miss. Sometimes I get a really good one. Sometimes they just like, it's alright, you know. But all of them make a little bit of profit, so I'm never complaining about that. We just gonna jump right in this one, man. I'm hoping it's good. I've been on a really good streak with the beater boxes, man. Really all week. I mean, really all year. I'm tripping. Really all year, man. This year has been amazing with the beater boxes for me. And I hope that luck continues for the month of August. Alright. This one is packed. We got a lot of shoes in here, man. And no loose shoes. We're going to start it off with a size 8 Jordan 1 low. I guess Jordan 1 lows are the thing now. Travis Scott put lows back on the map. These are dope. Size 8. They are not dead stock, but man, they are barely worn. See if I can get you guys to check out the bottom. Look at all those stars on the bottom. They look like I'm tripping, I got them too, pine greens. I'm not sure what these are called though. These are low, these are hard. I like them. Size 8 on those. Man, we got an old box, old face box, a gold face box. Size 9. Dang, he's taking me back to high school. 19s. I remember when these dropped. The Jordan 19s. Hold on, man. These are dead stock. Yo, these gotta be from like 04, 05. I remember when they dropped. Check these out. These are dead stock. We talking about almost 15 years, 16 years. Dang, that's crazy. I don't know the value of them, but the box is in great shape. Let me see. Yeah, 2004 release. Man, I don't know, dead stock from 2004. I might mess around and be the money shoe right there. We got an NMD R1 size 9. Size 9. Yeah, I'm still trying to figure this light thing. Yeah, let me try to dim it, man. I'm gonna be trying to blast y'all out so you can't see. And like a bread colorway, black, white, and red. NMD R1. Not dead stock. Pretty good condition. Just a little dirt on the bottom, but man, pretty clean right there. Size 9 for all you runners out there. I've always liked the look of NMDs, man, just not the way they look on my feet, so I don't have any NMDs. We got some Ultra Boosts in a size 9. What we got here. These are dead stock. Probably a core black. I don't know if they have a different nickname, but check those out. Dead stock, so I'm not pulling out the other one. Boom, pretty good pickup, man. Ultra Boost, still super comfortable. I got a few pair in my collection. Not even a few, I think I got like 2 pair of Ultra Boost. I think y'all seen them. I had got the triple gray ones out of a box not too long ago. Size 10.5 in an old Jordan box. Got an Air Jordan. Nah, man. Hold on, I'm not even gonna open it up. Y'all see the tag. Watch it be a replacement box. It's not a replacement box. Definitely the money shoe. of the box. I think I still got 3 pair in here. Bro, look at these, size 10.5. These are clean too. Oh my gosh. These are dope, man. Check out the other one before I get too excited. I don't remember what year these came out, but I do remember these dropping. And man, I don't even know what the value is right now, but I'm sure they're not cheap. These are very dope, man. This is a pretty clean pickup. These are my size too. That's why I'm sitting here kind of confused. Like, why do Sole do this to me, man? Like, I keep too many shoes. I do not need any more, but these are dope. Like, I feel like they taunting me. Golly. These are dope, man. I'm not a big 5 guy, but I like 5s. But I'm not like the big. I don't think I have any 5s in my collection at all. Those are dope though. We got a Jordan 3 in my size. Yeah, I won't be keeping these though. Chlorophyll 3s. I've had them a few times. I think I got them posted on Instagram too. These are not dead stock. Very lightly worn though. Check out the stars. Boom. Still got the hang tag in here. I guess I'll show y'all the other one too, since they like they've been worn maybe once or twice, man. Look at the bottom, very clean. Very clean. Size 11 on the chlorophyll 3s. I know those don't have a super tremendous amount of value. Size 9 Jordan 13s. Size 9 Mellow 13s. Never seen this shoe in person. I really hardly ever go to the mall, but I'm pretty sure these didn't sell out, because I was seeing them on Twitter. They like they got something right here. I'm not even sure that'll come out. That looks more like a deep scratch instead of a stain. But Mellow 13s just need a good cleaning. And like I said, I don't think that is I don't think that's a mark. I think that's a deep scratch in that suede or nubuck or whatever material that is. Size 9 on those. It's a Jordan though, so it will still move. Last up in this box, 9.5 in the Jordan 6 box. Clean Jordan 6 maroons. Jordan 6 maroons. Check them out. Bottom's a little dirty, but the uppers are super clean. Man. Nike Air on the back. Very dope shoe. Very dope shoe. Very slept on shoe in my opinion. I mean, they still sold out, but that shoe was hard. The Nike Air on the back. And Jordan actually wore it. That's gonna do it for today's box, man. 740 bucks. I don't know if it was that good or not, like, to be honest, because I don't know the value of those 19s. And I don't know the current value of those Quad 54s, but I think it's a pretty good box, man. Like, I got all Jordan Retros, a pair of Ultra Boosts, but they're dead stock, and the NMDs are still moved too, so I'm not mad at it, man. 740 bucks. That is the box for today. You guys know the value of it before I do on the screen and all of that good stuff. I'm pretty sure it's cool, man. My luck has been going absolutely crazy lately. Your boy hit a PR in the gym the other day. I'm super stoked about that. On the bench press. I know some of y'all do not care about that, but it's something I really wanted for myself, so I'm happy about it. I'm gonna play the video for y'all if I can find it, if I can throw it in. man. I know some of y'all actually lift weights and be DMing me talking about fitness and stuff like that. So this is for y'all, man. Check out that little clip. And that's it, man. 740 bucks. Should have another box in next week. Got a lot of other kicks still up for sale. Been selling a lot on Instagram, through Instagram, Facebook, everywhere. So always got something in hand. And I think that's gonna wrap it up. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Follow me everywhere at TGOTSOLE. I'm gonna get out y'all face. I'm out. Peace.